Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, account access, billing method, and that the app is updated. Once done, open new campaign and pick an objective that matches your goal. This determines bidding and placements. Next, define your audience using saved segments or custom parameters because precise targeting saves budget. Then set a daily or lifetime budget and calendar. This controls pacing. Finally, upload creatives and add your landing URL so tracking can attach immediately and you can review performance quickly. Once your campaign shell exists, you refine the targeting and bidding to steer performance. You layer demographics and interests and import custom lists for higher intent. This narrows waste and improves ROAS. Then choose a bid strategy. Manual gives control, target CPA optimizes for cost per action, maximize conversions drives volume, because strategy affects delivery speed and spend. Also set ad scheduling and placements, and upload creative variants so the system can rotate and learn which assets work best over time. You publish after a final review and diagnostic run to catch missing tracking or disapproved assets. Once live, monitor key metrics daily: impressions, CTR, conversion rate, and CPA, so you can spot drift quickly. Adjust bids, creative, or audience segments based on performance and use a /B tests to validate changes. If performance stalls, check the pixel and permissions first. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most delivery and attribution issues, because missing tracking often prevents conversion optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.